day, sir. I am Rosalino Calang, and my topic is all about Introduction to Criminology. My objective is, at the end of this lesson, you should able to define the key terms in relation to criminology, crime, and criminal law, identify the different field of study in criminology, and discuss criminology and crime. Criminology. When we say criminology, it is the body of knowledge regarding crime as a social phenomenon. When we say social phenomenon, it is normal happen in our society like typhoon, flood, etc. Crime. When we say crime, it is an act of committed or omitted in violation of public law for commanding it. It means when we say crime by committed or commission, it is the breaking of laws. For example, Juan killed Pedro, so it's either homicide or murder depending on the case. So we all know that killing a person is against to our law, consider it as a crime by commission. On the other hand, when we say crime by omission, it is the failure to do an act which the law requires. Example ani is kanang there is a business owner nga wala siya nibayad og tax or kanang buwis, so makonsider siya nga crime by omission because she failed to do an act which the law requires. Let's proceed to act. When we say act, it is a bodily movement tending to produce effect or to create a crime. So kasabot ani is makabuhat og sala ang isa ka tawo tungod sa iyang action, and omission, the failure to do an act which the law requires. Example ani is mo to katong ako giingon ganina nga tax. We have three scope in criminology, which is making of laws, breaking of laws, and the action of the society towards the breaking of laws. Making of laws is a process during which an idea of a law transformed into a law, which is ang kaning nagbuhat aning law ani is which is ang legislative branch na adito ang mga senate. And breaking of laws are made based on the consensus of the will of majority of the people in the community. On the other hand, a violation of laws is a violation of the will of majority of the people. So breaking of laws, kasabot ani is sa usa ka community daghan joy mo break sa kanang balaod nga gibuhat, and that's why makabuhat sila og sala. And the reaction of the society towards the breaking of laws, society either reacts positively or negatively when someone commits a crime as by imposing punishment on the lawbreaker. So diri asa the reaction of the society towards the breaking of laws is ang society mag-react, it's either positive man siya or negative sa isa ka tawo nga makabuhat og sala, and then sila pud ang kanang kumbaga maghatag og feedback nga dapat kana nga tao tagaan siya punishment tungod kay nakabuhat siya sala. Let's proceed to anatomy of crime, which is na diha ang motive, opportunity, and instrumentality. Motive, the one that includes the criminal to act, which is ang kanidriya is ang tao makabuhat siya sala tungod kay naa siya'y motibo nga buhaton na. And number 2, opportunity, which is the situation wherein the wrongdoer has the opportunity to perform the wrongful act. So diri is naay opportunity ang isa ka tawo nga buhaton na niya na sala. And number 3 is instrumentality, the instrument used in the commission of a crime. For example, ana is kanang knife, mahimo na siya na instrument, knife or kanang puzzle o daghan. General classification of crime. Number 1, felony, an act or omission punishable by the Revised Penal Code. If someone violate the law of Revised Penal Code, it consider to the felony of a crime like kanang murder, homicide, robbery, etc. Number 2, offense, an act in violation to the special law. If we violate the special law, it belongs to the offense of a crime. For example, kanang presidential decree or kanang RA 9165 or kanang ginatawag og dangerous drugs. So makonsider na siya as an offense. 3, crime mala prohibita, an act which are made wrong because it is prohibited by law. Example ani, illegal gambling, illegal drugs, no smoking, etc. So ang crime mala prohibita matawag siya wrong or kanang dili maayo kay tungod na ay nagprohibit sa iya nga law. So mao to ang example ana, illegal gambling, illegal drugs, no smoking. And number 4, which is crime malaense, an act which are evil in itself or inherently doing, which is even though there is a law prohibited or not, it is considered as wrong. Example ani, murder, robbery, thief, rape, etc. So ang kalahian sa crime mala prohibita and crime malaense, which is ang crime mala prohibita, which is kanang nahimo siyang wrong kay tungod na ay law nga nagprohibit, while ang crime malaense na may law nga nagprohibit o wala, mali gyud siya nga binuhatan. 3 elements of dolo. We have freedom, intent, intelligence. Number 1, freedom, the voluntariness to do an act, which is na ay freedom ang tao nga mabuhat og action niya. And then intent, na ay desire or determination nga mabuhat sa act. And then lastly is intelligence, which is aware ka na kay knowledge about the commission sa crime. And culpa, when we say culpa, it means fault, and there is fault when the wrongful act done was the result of negligence, imprudence, lack of skills, and knowledge. Criminal law. Criminal law is concerned about with the punishment of those who are commit crimes. Otherwise, function siya sa criminal law nga mapunish. Ang criminal law mao na siya ang maghatag og punishment sa mga tao nga nagbuhat og crime. Characteristics of criminal law. We have general, territorial, and prospective. General, the law is binding to all persons who live or sojourn in the Philippine territory. In other words, the criminal law applies to everybody who live in the Philippine territory. So, the general is kung kinsa ang nagpiyo diha sa territory sa kanang Philippines, sila gyud tanan is kanang appeal. While ang territorial, the law is binding to all crimes committed within Philippine territory. It means criminal law applies to all crimes happen in the Philippine territory, including the terrestrial, fluvial, and aerial, which is ang kaning territorial is nagbinding siya sa kanang crimes nga mahitabo sa Philippine territory, or including diha ang kanang terrestrial, fluvial, and aerial. Lastly is prospective. The law does not have any retroactive effect. When we say retroactive, extending, it means crimes are punished under the laws in force at the time of their commission. Dapat kung himuon ang law kuman, ma-apply dayon siya. Theories of criminal law. Number 1, classical theory, free will to choose between good and evil. Also, it means that classical theory focus on a crime which a person committed. Diri sa classical theory, mabata man or matigulang, liable siya under the classical theory, and the purpose of penalty is retribution. Number 2 is positivist theory, nag-focus siya sa tao. A person can commit a crime because of his physical appearance or kanang biological behavior or kanang psychological. And lastly is sociological, which is ang society maghatag sa iyahag kanang threat a person to commit a crime, which is ang purpose of penalty is stages in the commission of crime. Nadara ang attempted, frustrated, and consummated. When we say attempted, the intent to actually commit a crime but ultimately fails. For example, si Pedro gusto niya pat yun si Juan. So kana nga time nga gusto na niya pat yun si Juan, na may nakakita sa iya, so wala na lang niya gidayon. So mao na siyang gitawag nga attempted, nga kanang nakay intention nga makomit og crime pero na ultimate na fail ka kay tungod wala nimo na perform. While ang frustrated, the offender perform all the acts of execution which will produce the felony as a consequence, but which nevertheless do not produce the felony by reason of causes independent of the will of the perpetrator. Consummated, when all the elements necessary for its execution and accomplishment are all present when we say consummated, na-apply na nimo tanan, and nabuhat na nimo imong gusto. Subfields of criminology. Sociological criminology is the field that studies both crime and criminal punishment from the confluence of social phenomena. And the study of sociology is nag-study po siya sa social life, social change, and the social factors that impact human behavior. Number 2 is psychological criminology. It is focused on the individual criminal behavior, how it is acquired, evoked, maintained, and modified. So, ang kaning sociological crime is nag-focus siya sa individual sa kanang kung unsa ang behavior sa criminal, kung giunsa pag-acquire, pag-evoke, o gi-maintain and modify. Number 3, psychiatric criminology. When we say psychiatric criminology, it is the application of the scientific process to the study of crime, and nag-study po siya sa criminal behavior in terms of motives and drives that strongly release on the individual.